As someone who travels, I am always looking for good suitcase options, and the way this one looked online looked really, really good. I was sent this for review, so really excited to take it out of the box. Let's take a look at what's inside. Here is the bag out of the box, and I think it looks so beautiful. I love this color. So this is the green color, and it's more like a sea foam, but it is just stunning. I like that the zipper has the same color, and then you have the black accents. And I do like that it came in a bag just to prevent any scratching or issues during transit. But this looks beautiful. I'm excited to open it up. And this is even more beautiful in person. I love the ombre. It goes from like a lighter shade to a darker shade of green on the bottom. Then again, I love the accents of the zipper. I think it's beautiful that it keeps the same color. And then you have the silver details on the zipper as well on the handles. And you do have a lock on here also. By default, it is open, but you do have the option to set that. And the handles are nice and comfortable on the hands. You do have this grip rubber right here, so this just makes it really easy for you to handle. And then you have the length of this as well that you can bring up and down depending on your needs, but it is easy to open and then to close it as well. So yeah, so far so good. Let's get this thing open. I may like the inside better than the outside. Look at how beautiful this is. I love that the color comes throughout. And then here is the instructions for setting the lock. So that is on here as well with the TSA instructions. But look at how beautiful this is. I just love the detail here. So you have a pouch right here that you have a zipper that you can put some items in. And this would be really good for like anything that could possibly spill, because then you have this nice coating here just to prevent any spillage in the bag. And then you have this area here that's also zippered, and then all the way around you have this large section here as well that you can open up and add your items. Wow, this is amazing. There's so much room in here. You can see there, and then you can zip that up, and then you have this piece over here also that you can open and close once you put your items in here. So this looks great. It's the perfect size for carry-on, so really excited to get some use out of this. Here I am taking the suitcase outside. I really just wanted to test to see how it's gonna roll on different floors and different surfaces. I have some pavers outside, so you can see here just how it rolls on those, but very smooth. So final thoughts on this. I think it's so stunning. I love the green color. There's several different options to choose from. I like that you have the lock functionality and that you also have a hard case. This is very nice and solid. So again, it shouldn't be cracking on you or bending during transit. It should work really beautifully, but I love all the details on the inside as well. It was definitely very thought out, even from when it comes to the handle being something that's very comfortable for your hands. I appreciate all the thought that went into this because it shows on this quality of this particular item. So really happy with this, definitely recommend. And I have a trip on Thursday, so you better believe I'm taking this.